Today we will be doing lesson 9, The Dog Ate My Homework, question answer. So let's start from the first one. Why was Tony happy when he woke up? Why he was happy when he woke up? Tony was happy as it was Sunday and no school. As it was Sunday and no school. Next question. How was the weather that morning? How was the weather that morning? The sun was shining pleasantly. Okay, next question. When did Tony have his breakfast? When did Tony have his breakfast? So Tony have his breakfast after taking bath. What did Tony wants to do in the park? The answer is Tony wanted to go in park and play with his friends. Next question. Where did Tony wants to eat his favorite burger? So Tony wants to eat his favorite burger at McDonald's.